I'm Pat Gathman with Imagine That, a bead store in Ormond Beach, Florida. Today we're going to work on just a few little crimping tips. The first one that I want to work on that I want to show you is how to take multiple strands, and then you can't get them all to go through the crimp. So we're going to cut a couple of them off. So what I do is I'll take the strands and I'll put them through one crimp. Bring them up just like I'm getting ready to crimp a clasp. And then take my crimping plier. If you know, the crimping plier looks like lips in the front. I'm going to cradle the crimp in the indentation that's closest to my hand and just mash it down. And it separates the wires. Turn it perpendicular, or a quarter of a turn, to the front. I'm going to place it in the indentation that's closest to the tip of the plier. And mash it. It folds over on itself like looks like a little hot dog bun. Now I'm going to take my wire cutters, my flush cutters, and just snip off two of the wires. And then I'm going to take a cone place the cone on, then a little 3mm bead, and then I'm going to crimp my clasp. So I'll put on a clasp, I'll put on a crimp on the single wire, my clasp, go back through, and crimp once again, closest to my hand first, turn a half a turn, closest to the tip of the plier, clip off the excess wire, and put a crimp cover on. Which looks like a little 3mm bead. Just get that closed. And we have a multi-strand necklace. All of these supplies are available at Imagine That.